Imagine a future where debilitating neurological disorders are a thing of the past. Is it a distant dream or an achievable reality? It seems we're on the cusp of a new era in neuroscience, one that promises to revolutionize medicine and change our understanding of the human brain. Enter Neuralink, a frontier technology that's stirring up excitement and speculation across the globe. This groundbreaking innovation is no mere science fiction. It's a tangible solution that aims to tackle some of the most complex challenges we face in neuroscience today. From treating Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's to curing paralysis and even enhancing human cognition, the possibilities are as vast as they are thrilling. Neuralink holds the potential to blur the lines between biology and technology, and in doing so, open up a world of opportunities and advancements. But how did we get to this point? What is the story behind Neuralink? In the heart of Silicon Valley in 2016, a new venture emerged, Neuralink. This ambitious project was the brainchild of the well-known innovator Elon Musk, the man behind Tesla and SpaceX. Musk's vision for Neuralink was grand. He aimed to merge the human brain with artificial intelligence, promising a future where humans could keep up with AI's rapid advancement. But Musk wasn't alone in this venture. He was joined by a team of 8 co-founders, each with a unique background, ranging from neuroscience to robotics. Among them were Max Hodak, a biomedical engineer, and Dongjin Seo, an electrical engineer and neuroscientist. Their collective expertise was the foundation upon which Neuralink was built. Neuralink's mission was clear: to develop ultra-high bandwidth brain-machine interfaces. The company aimed to help people with brain disorders in the short term while facilitating human enhancement in the long term. The inception of Neuralink marked the beginning of a new era in neuroscience. From its inception, Neuralink has been on a relentless journey of innovation and discovery. The first significant milestone in its evolution was the unveiling of its initial concept in the year 2017. The idea was ambitious and groundbreaking: to create a high-bandwidth, implantable brain-machine interface, a concept that was both awe-inspiring and challenging. The journey from concept to reality was a steep uphill climb. The year 2018 saw the development of the sewing machine robot, designed to insert the Neuralink threads into the brain with precision. This robot was the answer to one of the biggest hurdles in Neuralink's path: how to implant the threads without causing significant damage to the brain. The following year, Neuralink made another leap forward by demonstrating its technology in a lab rat. This was a pivotal moment, proving that the concept could work in a living being. But the challenges were still far from over. The team grappled with issues of biocompatibility, making sure the brain would not reject the foreign object. In 2020, Neuralink showcased its first pig implant, Gertrude, who seemed to live a healthy life with the implant. This was a testament to the strides Neuralink had made in ensuring biocompatibility. The same year, the company also made progress with its Link device, which was designed to be more compact and user-friendly. Fast forward to 2024, and Neuralink has just unveiled its latest prototype, which offers an even higher bandwidth and is designed to be fully implantable without the need for external hardware. This is a significant step forward, bringing us closer to the day when this technology could be widely available and used for a multitude of purposes, from helping those with neurological disorders to potentially enhancing human cognition. With each passing year, Neuralink has pushed the boundaries of what we thought was possible in neuroscience. Today, Neuralink stands at the forefront of neuroscience, poised to make a significant impact on human health. This innovative company has redefined the realm of possibilities, challenging the boundaries of what we once thought impossible. In the present day, Neuralink is hard at work developing cutting-edge technology that is set to revolutionize the landscape of neuroscience. The company is focused on creating devices that can be implanted into the human brain to monitor and stimulate neural activity. These devices are designed to be as minimally invasive as possible, maximizing benefits while minimizing risks. One of the most exciting ongoing projects at Neuralink involves using this technology to treat neurological disorders. Conditions such as Parkinson's disease, epilepsy, and even depression, which have long been considered difficult to manage, could potentially be mitigated or even cured with the help of Neuralink's technology. This could bring much-needed relief to millions of people suffering from these conditions worldwide. But Neuralink isn't stopping there. The company is also exploring the potential of their technology to enhance human cognition. Imagine being able to access information at the speed of thought or enhancing your memory capacity beyond natural limitations. The potential applications are endless, opening up a world of possibilities for human evolution and progress. Neuralink is also committed to ensuring the accessibility of their technology. The company is investing in making their devices affordable and available to as many people as possible, to ensure that the benefits of this groundbreaking technology can be enjoyed by all. As we look to the future, it's clear that Neuralink has the potential to change the world as we know it. The company is pushing the boundaries of neuroscience, opening up new avenues for research and treatment, and challenging our understanding of the human brain and its capabilities. The future of neuroscience is here, and it's called Neuralink. Neuralink is not just a company, it's a vision of a future where the human brain and technology intertwine. We've journeyed through its inception, its evolution, and peered into its current state and potential future. This journey shows us how Neuralink stands at the forefront of the neuroscience revolution, pushing boundaries and redefining possibilities. If you found this video informative and intriguing, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep pondering the future of neuroscience.